What if I told you that despite AI writing your code for you, learning how to code in 2025 is more crucial than ever? But here is the twist. It's not about memorizing syntax anymore, but about understanding logic and harnessing AI as your co-pilot. And therefore, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how coding is evolving. Back in the day, you learned Python or Java, built some projects, and boom, you had a ticket to a high-paying tech job. But now, things are, let's say, different. AI is rewriting the rules, and many argue that the traditional coding is declining. But that's only half the story. According to Forbes, AI integration has boosted up our productivity by up to 30% in many big tech companies. But still, it hasn't rendered human coders obsolete. And therefore, while AI takes over routine tasks, the need for strategic and creative problem solving remains. But then you might think, if AI can generate code, why bother learning it at all? Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many say, if AI can write 80% of my code, what's left for me to do? But that's a misconception. Yes, tools like GitHub Copilot or TabNine can handle repetitive tasks, but they can't solve complex problems or design a system from scratch. And therefore, the real value lies in understanding the why behind the code. By the way, I'm going to post a video next week about the topic how I became an AI engineer from zero. And if you subscribe, YouTube will automatically recommend you this video. I promise. And big names like Salesforce or Meta have already integrated AI to handle mundane coding tasks. But they still rely on experienced developers to oversee projects and drive innovation forward. And according to Business Insider, while these tools are increasing efficiency, they have also created new roles that demand deeper understanding of the technology. But here is the catch. If you are learning how to code now, you are not just learning how to type commands. You are learning how to think critically and creatively. And then there is the twist. Actually, it's not enough nowadays to learn simply one programming language. So you actually have to learn to work alongside AI. And therefore, the modern coder has to understand the basic programming principles and how to integrate AI into their workflows. Actually, my last video was about why you shouldn't become a pure AI engineer. If you are interested in the reasons behind that, check out this video above. But don't worry, it might sound daunting, but it's really about breaking down complex problems into manageable, simple steps. And for instance, mastering Python is just a start. You need to explore how AI tools can master routine tasks, while you focus on strategic decision making. So is it still worth to learn how to code in 2025? Absolutely, but with one major caveat. You must evolve with the AI technology. And therefore, here's a 3-step roadmap to future-proof your career. Start with languages like Python or JavaScript on platforms like Coursera or FreeCodeCamp. But don't stop at the syntax. Focus on the logic behind the code. Therefore, build a strong foundation that will help you understanding more complex problems later. Second, learn AI integration. Embrace AI rather as a tool than a threat. But you need to understand its capabilities and limitations. And therefore, take courses on machine learning on Coursera or Udemy. And as dev.to points out, those who learn to integrate AI into their coding workflow will have a competitive advantage against others. And third, commit to lifelong learning. The tech landscape is evolving every day, but if you rest on your laurels, you risk falling behind. Therefore, make continuous learning a habit. Read articles, follow tech news, and experiment with new tools. But remember, your journey is not just about learning code. It's about learning how to think like a problem solver in an AI-enhanced world. And here is the final twist. Learning how to code is not about competing with AI. It's actually about partnering with it. And therefore, by mastering coding fundamentals and AI integration, you position yourself not to survive, but to thrive. In conclusion, coding in 2025 isn't dead, it's transforming. But if you are willing to adapt and learning how to code with AI, you will find that the future of coding is more brighter and more exciting than ever. Therefore, if you are a beginner or a complex developer, now is the time to rethink your strategy. If you enjoyed this video and found value in these insights, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, I would be interested in your opinion. Let me know in the comments below. But more importantly, take action today. Start building your future by learning to code smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding and peace out.
You think that this life's made for a king? So many different things to do within the heart.